It's 7:30 in the morning in Brooklyn, New York. It's the start of another busy day for Alex. He gets up and makes some toast for breakfast. He eats his breakfast and checks his email. This is Alex's video diary.
My name's Alex. I'm 35. I'm from Chicago, but now I live in Brooklyn. I'm a bike messenger in New York City, and my days are very busy. It's 8 o'clock. Time to go.
He doesn't wear a uniform to work. He wears his own clothes. Alex fills his water bottle, and he's ready to leave home. He always carries a large bag and his cell phone. He lives in an apartment on the 6th floor. Luckily, there's an elevator. Alex's bike is outside his apartment. Before he starts work, Alex goes to a coffee shop.
There are a lot of coffee shops in New York, but this is my favorite. The coffee is great, and it's cheap, too.
Alex drinks his coffee and reads the newspaper. He starts work at 8:30. As a bike messenger, Alex collects and delivers small packages all over the city. Alex's day is very busy. There are a lot of packages to collect and deliver. There's a lot of traffic, but Alex doesn't stop. He is very fast. He knows all the streets of the city. Alex likes working outside when the weather is good. Today's a beautiful day in New York. At just after 1 o'clock, Alex has lunch. He sometimes buys pizza at a small takeaway restaurant. He eats his lunch in the park.
I like eating outdoors when the weather is good. The park is beautiful. Time to go again.
Alex works hard and he travels all over the city. He works for about 10 hours. At the end of the day, he delivers his last package and cycles home to Brooklyn. Alex arrives home at about 7 o'clock.
I love my job, but at the end of the day, I'm always tired. In the evenings, I don't do much at all.
When he arrives home, Alex has a shower. Then he cooks his dinner. Tonight, it's pasta and salad. Alex isn't married. His girlfriend lives in Chicago. He uses the internet to talk to her every evening.
For $1 million.
Are you serious?
Yes, very, very serious. Dookie. Bye.
In his free time, Alex plays the guitar. He enjoys writing songs. Because he is tired, he goes to bed at about 11 o'clock, ready for another busy day tomorrow.